Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your ultimate source for all things crypto and financial freedom. Today, we're tackling a crucial question for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies. What are crypto exchanges? And most importantly, how do you choose the best one for you? Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, choosing the right crypto exchange is key to managing your portfolio efficiently and securely. A crypto exchange is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies, but not all exchanges are created equal. Here's what we'll cover in this video. What exactly is a crypto exchange? The different types of crypto exchanges. Key factors to consider when choosing an exchange. Our top exchange picks based on security, fees, and user experience. How to start trading on the best exchanges for your needs. Make sure to watch until the end for a bonus tip on maximizing your trading experience. Let's dive right in. Part 1. What are crypto exchanges? A crypto exchange is a digital platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of altcoins. It acts as a marketplace where buyers and sellers meet, but instead of physical assets, you're exchanging digital tokens. Crypto exchanges work similarly to traditional stock exchanges. Just like you can trade stocks on platforms like Nasdaq or NYSE, you can trade crypto on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and many others. They connect buyers and sellers and facilitate transactions in a secure environment. Crypto exchanges provide essential services such as buying and selling crypto, trading between different cryptocurrencies, storing your assets in a wallet, tracking your crypto portfolio. However, not all crypto exchanges are the same. Different platforms offer different features, and it's essential to find the right one for your specific needs. Let's break it down. Part 2. Types of crypto exchanges. There are several types of exchanges available, each with its unique features. Understanding these can help you choose the best one for your needs. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Centralized exchanges (CEX). Centralized exchanges, like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, are the most common. These exchanges act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, handling all the transactions. They are popular due to their high liquidity, user-friendly interfaces, and fast transactions. Pros: high liquidity for quick transactions. User-friendly interface for beginners. Wide selection of cryptocurrencies to trade. Centralized customer support. Cons: require you to trust the exchange with your funds. Risk of hacking due to centralization. 2. Decentralized exchanges (DEX). Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with each other, without the need for a central authority. These exchanges run on blockchain technology and are seen as more private and secure. Pros: users maintain control of their funds. Increased privacy and anonymity. Lower risk of hacking compared to CEXs. Cons: less liquidity compared to centralized exchanges. Complex interface for beginners. Slower transactions due to blockchain limitations. 3. Peer-to-peer exchanges (P2P). Peer-to-peer exchanges, such as local bitcoins, connect buyers and sellers directly. These platforms act as intermediaries, helping users find each other and execute trades. Pros: direct interaction between buyers and sellers. Can buy crypto with local payment methods like cash. High degree of privacy. Cons: lower liquidity. Riskier transactions, as you rely on individuals, not an exchange. Limited trading pairs. Part 3. Key factors to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. When choosing a crypto exchange, there are several factors to keep in mind to ensure you're selecting the best one for your needs. 1. Security. Security should be your top priority. Look for exchanges that offer two-factor authentication for extra protection. Cold storage for the majority of funds. Insurance policies in case of a breach. 2. Fees. Each exchange has its own fee structure. Some charge a flat fee per trade, while others have percentage-based fees. Make sure to check for transaction fees buying, selling, and trading. Withdrawal fees, deposit fees if applicable. 3. Liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy and sell assets. Higher liquidity means faster transactions and smaller price fluctuations. Choose exchanges with higher trading volume for better liquidity. 4. Available cryptocurrencies. Not all exchanges support every cryptocurrency. If you're looking to trade niche coins or participate in ICO's initial coin offerings, check if the exchange supports your desired assets. 5. User experience. Choose a platform with an easy-to-use interface, especially if you're a beginner. Also, check if the exchange offers mobile apps for on-the-go trading. Part 5. Top crypto exchanges for beginners and experts. Let's explore some of the best exchanges based on security, fees, and usability. 1. Coinbase. Best for beginners. Coinbase is one of the most popular exchanges, known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a great option for beginners looking to buy Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. Coinbase offers high security and insurance on stored funds, making it a trusted choice. Pros: simple interface for beginners, supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. High security with 2FA and insurance. Cons: higher fees compared to some other exchanges. Limited advanced trading features. 2. Binance. Best for advanced traders. Binance is one of the largest exchanges globally and is a fantastic platform for both beginners and professionals. It offers low trading fees and a wide selection of coins, making it great for active traders. Binance also has advanced trading tools like futures and margin trading. Pros: low fees, wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Advanced trading features. Cons: slightly complex for beginners. Regulatory challenges in some regions. 3. Kraken. Best for security. Kraken is known for its high security measures and range of supported assets. It offers a secure environment for buying, selling, and staking crypto, and is a great choice for more security-conscious traders. Pros: high security and insurance policies. Wide variety of fiat and crypto pairs. Supports staking for passive income. Cons: interface may be overwhelming for beginners. 4. Uniswap. Best for DeFi users. Uniswap is a leading decentralized exchange for users interested in trading ERC-20 tokens. It allows you to trade without relying on a central authority, giving you more privacy and control over your assets. Pros: complete control over your funds. Low fees compared to CEXs, no account setup needed. Cons: limited to Ethereum-based assets, slower transactions compared to CEXs. Choosing the best crypto exchange depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize security, low fees, or a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. By considering factors like fees, liquidity, and security, you can make an informed decision on where to buy, sell, and trade your crypto assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are just getting started in crypto. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your favorite exchange and why.